Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here. In our today's video, I'm going to show you some stump woodcraft design ideas that will inspire you to craft your stump wood in a better way. Stump woodcraft are a unique and eco-friendly way to incorporate natural element into your home decor. By repurposing tree stumps, you can create beautiful and functional pieces that add a character and charm to any space. One popular stump woodcraft design is the stool and the side table. Simply sand down the stump and add legs or a flat surface. Simply sand down the stump and add leg or a flat surface on top to practical and rustic addition to your living room and the outdoor patio. Another idea is to hollow out the center of the stump and use it as a planter or as succulents or small flowers. This add a natural and the organic touch to any room and the outdoor spaces. If you are feeling creative, you can also carve design and patterns into the stump using a chisel or a chainsaw. This allows you to personalize your stump woodcraft and make it truly one of a kind. Overall, stump woodcraft are a great way to bring the beauty of nature into your home. With a little imagination and some basic woodworking skill, you can create stunning pieces that are both practical and stylish. There are many different ways to use stump wood for crafting. Here are some ideas to get you started. First one is rustic side table. Cut a stump to the desired height and add a glass on top of the stump and wood top to create a rustic side table. Cut stump to a height of stool and use them as a garden seating. Cut stump to a different light and drill holes for a tea light candle. Drill a hole in a stump to create a hook for a coat and the hat. Cut the stump to create a hollow in the middle, then fill it with soil and add plants for a unique planter. Drill a hole in the top of the stump and create birdhouse inside for a beautiful view. Cut out stump for some height and use them as a bookend. Use a saw to cut stump into different sizes and the shapes. Then mount them onto the wall for a unique display. Cut stump to a different height and add candles, flowers, and other decorative element to create rustic centerpiece. Cut stump to the desired height and attach a lamp kit to create a rustic lamp base. Stump woodcraft refer to a various type of decorative and functional item that can be made using the stump of tree. Here are some benefits of stump woodcraft. Using stump wood for crafting reduce waste and promote sustainability by repurposing natural material that might otherwise be discarded. Each stump is unique with his own natural pattern and imperfection, making it an excellent material for creating one-of-a-kind craft that are distinctive, visually appealing. The natural color and texture of stump wood can add a rustic and natural element to any decor, providing a warm and living atmosphere. Stump wood is a highly durable and resistant of weather and insect, making it a ideal material for outdoor furniture and the decor. Stump wood can be used to create a wide range of craft, from furniture to home decor and accessories. Stump wood can often be sourced from a tree or at a low cost, making it an affordable material for do-it-by-yourself project. Stump wood crafts are often easy to make it with basic tools skills, making them an excellent choice for beginners, do-it-by-yourself enthusiasts. Overall, stem woodcraft are an excellent way to incorporate natural material into your home decor while promoting sustainability and the creativity. The stem woodcraft ideas can be found in many parts of the world where trees are abundant and woodworking is a common practice. Some regions and regions that are well known for stem woodcraft. North America. The North American continent is a home of many skilled woodworkers who specialize in creating unique craft from stem wood. Some of the popular craft including carved wooden bowls, vases, and the figurines. European countries such as Germany, Poland, and Austria have a long tradition of woodworking, and many artisans create beautiful stem woodcraft like wooden spoon, bowls, and the sculptures. Countries such as China, Japan, and India have a rich history of woodworking and the stamp crafting. I hope you have enjoyed our video. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much.